It's always fun. It's always fun having commercial phones in town. But anyway, yeah, one of my favorite things about Funchal is when you're walking around, especially in the summertime, and you get all these guys, playing some music. Just brightens up your day for a couple of minutes, with all the work and the stress. Speaking about work and stress, yeah, let's carry on going. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and in today's video we are comparing Funchal with Lisbon, Madeira with mainland Portugal. We're going to be heading out to Lisbon to give you a little bit of a comparison and what I think are some of the key points living and traveling between Madeira and Portugal, or Madeira, mainland Portugal, and Lisbon in this case. Some pros and cons, at least from my side, what I like about living in Madeira and what I like about visiting the mainland. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys get value out of this, and let's kickstart, let's go, let's do it. Okay, so this is not the greatest example of, cost of living.
Oh, obrigado.
Obrigado. So €1.80 for an espresso. Of course, this is a very, how do I say it, location place, touristic place. It's very nice and it's shaded and it's great, and that's why we got here. So $1.80 for a coffee. You can find cheaper, but still not bad when you compare it to New York, London, Singapore or whatever. I don't know, I've never been to Singapore, but like these places, Miami, I'm sure you can't get an espresso for €1.80, right? Don't think so. So I've got some residue that's kind of seeping out of the pipes around the turbo of this car, and no biggie, but it's starting to drop onto the alternator, so I'm trying to keep it clean. And now the light's actually turned off, so maybe I might be in luck and the only thing I have to fix is the turbo and not the alternator. So the good thing is that if we break down, you see the light's back now. The good thing is that if we do break down, we're not far away, so it's not going to be like a big issue to get somebody to help us, because Madeira is a small place. The one thing I hate about Madeira, and hate is a very, very strong word, pretty much the only thing that I think is a disadvantage in Madeira is the airport, because of the winds and because of the prices. Right, so to get to Lisbon, it's not as cheap as what it is to get from, say, Lisbon to Germany or to anywhere else in Europe, where you can get flights for like 50, 60 bucks, although it has gotten a little bit better. Not bad for a sandwich you got to take a mortgage on. Yeah, there's only one slice of cheese. And usually in a Madeiran bakery, there's at least 2 slices, sometimes 3. So, just saying.
This is an international airport, so it's like neutral ground.
Neutral ground, yeah. They don't want to upset anyone with an extra slice of cheese. The thing about Lisbon, it takes a long time to get anywhere. It would be nice if we were in Madeira and we could just head off somewhere. Let's see if the car still starts. It's fine. We're not breaking down today, Andrea. Not today, no. Oh.
Not today.
Okay, let's squeeze out of here. Whoa. It's tight parking. €1 an hour. An hour of parking for €1. Find that in Miami. How much are you gonna pay in Miami for parking? One of my favorite things in Madeira is the food, of course. And usually it's not because it's this crazy cosmopolitan, you know, fancy fusion food. No, my favorite thing about Madeiran food is that it's wholesome, all right, and it's healthy. So you're getting vegetables and potatoes and things like that that come from the ground, right? It's not all this extra stuff. But in this case, we're at Ofuza in Câmara de Lobos, and we had to actually come here to do some work. So I'm still working, so I'm sorry, I have a real job. We've got a group coming out here and we had to organize some things. But these guys in particular have really interesting dishes from what I saw real quickly. So we got some alheira, which is a typical Portuguese game sausage. And then something, this is the lulas, calamaris, which I'm always a fan of. So if I see calamari in the menu, I'm ordering it. Looks great. Ovos rotos, I believe is a typical mainland dish. So it's not a Madeiran thing. And they've got here cod as well. So it's French fries, egg and cod, and prosciutto.
Caramelized onions.
And caramelized onions. Oh my God, I didn't even remember how good this was when I saw it on the menu. So I'm excited. Thank you very much. Oh my God, I wonder if this is good for the diet, eh? Eh? You think? You think it's good for the diet, for the gym diet? The things we do for the vlog, huh? And again, about price, because we are talking about price in this video as well. €6.50 for a letter. You know, this is a fantastic starter. You can divide it by 2 people. €3 each. Come on. Like, best. Lulas with sauce. What could go wrong, huh? It's a different sauce. Very nice. I like it. This is definitely not good for the diet. Oh. Yeah. That's exactly what I expected. Well, I love trying new things, and the great thing about Madeira at the moment is that there's a lot of new things. There's a lot of diversity, a lot of cultural diversity, gastronomical diversity. Everyone's trying new things, and there's new things coming here as well. So if you like all of this stuff, hit like and subscribe, because I promise you loads of awesome Madeira stuff coming soon. And this is a mango tequila, so yes. Mango tequila cream. So I'm gonna have to bring Veronica here to check if she's as well allergic to tequila cream as much as tequila itself. But smells amazing. Smells like fresh mango. A little bit of crushed ice, maybe like a big glass with some crushed ice by the pool all day. We're at a place called Figus, basically like right in the center of Lisbon. So we came out here just to film some stuff. We're gonna eat some stuff. We've got a mission. All right, so there's some exciting things happening. We're here for a reason. We didn't just fly over just to make a vlog, but we thought we're gonna make a vlog. So we're gonna eat some stuff that we don't usually eat in Madeira, at least for me. You know, I'm very excited about our main dish. Everybody chose the same one. So we're all very well aligned in the same vibration today. So yeah, we're gonna have some sangria, we're gonna have some starters and some main course. The prices look kind of similar to Madeira. And by the way, this is just a place we found. We're not like Stay Classy or anything that knows everything about Lisbon, like all the cool places. We know nothing. I know nothing about Lisbon.
They're the experts.
Yeah, I wish, you know, and if you're watching, you know, like I'd happily come out to Lisbon with you guys just to eat some food.
We're waiting for the invitation.
Yeah, we are. Come on, you know, what's taking so long? This is one of my favorite dishes, and I believe it's Cristiano Ronaldo's favorite dish, bacalhau à Brás. You might know that in Lisbon there's like over 300 recipes of bacalhau codfish. There's a different recipe for every day of the year apparently. I don't know, this is my favorite one until now. That's got these potato crisps in them. I don't know how to say it, but it's awesome with egg. It's really nice as well. And this is something that you don't find a lot of in Madeira. There are 2 or 3 places that do it, but not so many, and I love it. So whenever I'm in the mainland, bacalhau à Brás, wherever I go. Bon appetit, everybody.
Bon appetit.
What I love about Madeira is the Poncha. Yes, you do not get Poncha in Lisbon. Well, you do, right? You do. I'm not gonna say you don't. And I'm not hating on the people in Lisbon that make Poncha, okay? But in Madeira, we have the best Poncha, of course, right? Yeah. So this one is Tangerina. And once again, I'd like to say thank you to Ufusa. And you definitely want to come here to try the food. It's awesome, right? It's just awesome. Well, we don't have Poncha in Lisbon, but we have ginger. Hey? Yeah. Ginger. So they say, oh my God. Welcome to Lisbon, I guess, huh? Yeah, there we go. Whoa. It's good.
Approved?
It's good, it's approved.
Chef
it's actually
approved.
very nice, very nice.
Hit the road approved.
You know, I used to say that I preferred the ginger from Madeira because we make ginger as well in Nuns Valley. I said it yesterday, but today I might take it back. This one's actually pretty nice. I wish they had ginger like this in Madeira. Now I had to check without the cherries. So first with the cherries, now without the cherries. So
Good excuse to have two.
yeah, not bad, not bad. Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah, I don't remember it being this good. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just, you know, too much of a Madeira boy. Very good. I like it.
You like, Tanya?
Yes.
You like?
Yeah. She's already actually on her third one. It's, the rest.
Second one.
The rest of us have been drinking too. She's already on her third one actually. No?
Faster than a gecko.
Yeah. Probably my favorite thing, if not my second favorite thing, is the water and the weather, right? Here in Madeira, you can swim all year. And in the mainland, in the Algarve and in Lisbon and things like that, sure, there's some parts that are a little bit warmer, perhaps in July and September, but it's not my experience. I was in the Algarve in June one year and it was freezing cold in the water and it was boiling hot on the beach. Whereas in Madeira, it's kind of average on both. So you can very easily be in the water. At the moment, I believe it's 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, which is beautiful. And it's hot, but it's not Algarve hot. So that's it. We're actually here with the team today. So we're gonna be taking some time off, having a swim, taking it easy, maybe having a beer or two or something like that. That's it, hey? Let's get wet. My favorite thing about Lisbon is the fact that you have these nice big festivals such as the Superbox, Superhox, so that is why we're here. Quick little kind of like improvised little vacation, not even vacation, just came out for one day to see some bands and flying back. So pretty cool that you have this connection, and over here in Lisbon there's a whole lot of cool stuff happening and a lot of great things happening with the city, young, modern, lots of stuff going on. And we'll get into that later because it's not that kind of objective today. Today we're here to have fun. So we're gonna watch some cool bands such as Franz Ferdinand and The Offspring. So yeah, should be great. So yeah, less talking, less yapping, and let's go and headbang a little bit. Yeah, more rocking. So I didn't have any time to show you where to stay in Lisbon, all right? We're not that kind of influencer. We just came for one day, so we decided to stay somewhere really close to the airport so that it was easy for us, especially tomorrow, because today was going to be a crazy day. But I do have a secret weapon, and if it wasn't for Tiago over here, we'd still be stuck in the middle of that festival for sure, all right? And if he wasn't so popular, right, we'd be out with him today, and instead of trying to find nice places for lunch in the middle of Chiado, maybe you could have showed us some secret spots and things like this.
Of course I can.
So, I don't know, maybe some of you might know that we went to Sintra a few weeks back, myself and Elisa, and I met Tiago in Sintra, and he showed us some amazing spots, some hidden gems, and I think together we'll be doing some magical stuff in Portugal at some time. So if you guys are coming out to Sintra, you gotta come out with Tiago. He is my secret weapon on the mainland from now on. So he should be your secret weapon as well. Tiago, do you want to say anything? What, you know, what do you specialize in?
My name is Tiago. I work as a tour guide in Sintra, Cascais, Óbidos, Nazaré, and I hope to see you soon.
Born and raised in Sintra, the romantic capital of Portugal. So yeah, Tiago, thank you very much. And I wish we could spend more time together, man. It's too fast. But I'll see you next time. Don't go away, we're not finished yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think, huh? And that's it. The last thing that I have to say, one of my favorite things about Madeira is that when you go on vacation, when you live in Madeira, you go on vacation, when you come back to Madeira. All right, the 16-time world's best winner. Is it 1, 2, 3? Oh no, there's Europe and world. Okay, so some of them are Europe, some of them are the world. But I mean, come on, right? That's it. And on that bombshell, Andre,
Let's hit the road and let's get home.
And let's hit the road and let's go home. See you guys later. Ciao.